What was she like?
She had red hair.
Oh? How big were her feet? The interesting thing is, our vows never specifically forbid intimate relations with women.
What?
I shall take no wife. Yes, that's in there. There's no denying that. I shall father no children. It's very specific. But what our vows have to say about other activities is open to interpretation.
I don't think Sir Alistair cares much for interpretation.
Anyway, there's nothing for him to interpret. We didn't. So what's it like?
There's this person. This whole other person. And you're wrapped up in them. They're wrapped up in you. And you... For a little while, you're more than just you. Oh, I don't know. I'm not a bleeding poet.
No, you're really not.
What did I get for it? An arrow 6 inches from my heart.